with UNR's Technology LLC. So today we're gonna talk about variable types. Uh, the last video we were doing some operation with Double, but today we're gonna focus more on that variable types. Types are like a race. You know, in human race we have black, white, yellow, or red. So pretty much four races. So yeah, if we can consider a variable as human, so types are kind of races. Like white is a race, and we can also have a type like string. We have basically string variable. We can say like a string word equal hello, and we have a double decimal equal 4.5, and we have a int roll number equal 1. We have a boolean uh, uh, assertion equal true, and we have floats. We can do long big number equal okay out of range. Now we call this one. So there are many types of variable, and each of them has a different capacity and a different type of value that can contain. Word is like string are like mostly about word, like whatever you can write. But this double can take decimal value, while int cannot do it. Int can take only whole numbers. So, and you have assertion like either is true or false. So boolean takes like value. Yes, it only takes like true or false. Either something is true, either is false. So the value, its value is a boolean. So long is as you can see, it's long number, right? You have to put L. Java wants you to put L so that it to indicate like it's a big number that can be contained inside a long. So there are variable type. There are many. There are also shorts. There are also characters like that contain only character that contain only one character, and then the difference between character and string is you have a single quote here, but here is double quotes. So yes, and then the type is short, which means kind of character. So this is pretty much it. There are many variable type in Java, but most of these are the most common used. I think all of you understood uh, that we have different type of variable types. That's it. We're done today. Thank you. Have a nice one.